नमः सर्वेभ्यः। व्योम संस्कृतपाठशालायाः कौशलसंवर्धनं संस्कृतव्याकरणं निबन्धलेखनं च इत्यस्य प्रक्रमस्य अद्य 18 पाठः। अद्य वयं श्चुत्वसन्धेः ष्टुत्वसन्धेश्च विषये जानीमः। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। वयं सन्धिप्रकरणे आदौ अच् सन्धीन् अधीतवन्तः। ततश्च प्रकृतिभावः अच् सन्धेः निमित्ते सत्यपि सन्धेः अभावः कुत्र भवति इत्यपि दृष्टवन्तः। अधुना हल् सन्धीनाम् अध्ययनम् आरभ्य तत्र गतपाठे जष्ट्वसन्धेः तथा चर्त्वसन्धेः विषये वयं ज्ञातवन्तः। जष्ट्वसन्धिः अत्यन्तम् औत्सर्गिकः अथवा सामान्यः सन्धिः. It's a very generic rule which just states पदान्ते झल् वर्णः अस्ति चेत् तस्य स्थाने जश् वर्णः आदेशः भवति. जश् इत्यनेन ज ब ग ड द वर्गतृतीयाः वर्णाः उच्यन्ते. यत्र वर्गतृतीयः आदेशः भवति सः जष्ट्वसन्धिः भवति. सर्वत्र पदान्ते जष्ट्वसन्धिः भवति तदपि दृष्टवन्तः. स्वरः वा भवतु अग्रे, मृदुव्यञ्जनं वा भवतु, कर्कशव्यञ्जनं वा भवतु, जष्ट्वसन्धिः तु भवति, किन्तु सर्वत्र तस्य श्रवणं न भवति. स्वरे मृदुव्यञ्जने परे एव जष्ट्वस्य श्रवणं भवति. Right? So that is just a fine adjustment of understanding that we make from what we have studied earlier. Maybe we used to say that jashtva happens when followed by swara or mridu vyanjana, but actual rule for jashtva states that jashtva just happens everywhere as long as it is padanta, but when followed by a karkasha vyanjana. So always be clear, these three categories are very important in sandhis. Ach, hush and khar. Right? So hush refers to the mridu vyanjanas. Khar, kha, pha, cha, tha, tha, cha, ta, ta, ka, pa, sha, sha, sa. These 13 letters are called the karkasha vyanjanas. The first two letters of each varga and sha, sha, sa. So karkasha vyanjane pare chartva sandhi bhavati. So that is why we do not hear the third letter at any time if it is followed by karkasha vyanjana. So the effective rule becomes, if there is a swara or mridu vyanjana, there is jashtva. That is, we hear the jashtva. As in case of say vak ishaha vagishaha or vak vadaha vagvadaha. So if it is vak kalahaha, there is jashtva, but then when we apply chartva, it reverts to ka. So we don't hear the jashtva there. कर्कश व्यंजने परे जष्ट्वानन्तरं चर्त्वसन्धिः भवति. कानिचन प्रसिद्धानि उदाहरणानि जष्ट्वसन्धेः. वागीशः, वाक् ईशः वागीशः, कवर्गस्य तृतीयवर्णः गकारः आदेशः भवति. अच् अन्तः अजन्तः, चकारस्य स्थाने चवर्गतृतीयः जकारः आदेशो भवति. षडाननः, तत्र दृष्टमस्माभिः शश इति प्रातिपदिकम् अस्ति. The root word for shat, that is 6, is sh. मूर्धन्य शकारस्यापि जष्ट्वेन डकारः भवति. So it becomes षडाननः. भगवत् गीता इत्यत्र जष्ट्वेन तवर्ग तृतीयः दकारः भवति. अप इन्द्रियम् अबिन्द्रियम् इत्यत्र पकारस्य जष्ट्वेन बकारः भवति. So these are the examples for जष्ट्व सन्धि. षकारस्य जष्ट्वं भवति डकारः, किन्तु श स ह एतेषां जष्ट्वं न भवति. किमर्थं न भवति इति ज्ञातुम् अस्माभिः सूत्राणि अध्येतव्यानि भवन्ति. There are other rules which will intervene, so we will not see a direct jashtva for these letters. Shakara gets modified to dakara when we apply jashtva. चर्त्व सन्धिम् अपि वयं दृष्टवन्तः. कर्कश व्यञ्जने अर्थात् खरि परे, when followed by a khar letter, jhal is modified to char. Char is cha ta ta ka pa sha sha sa, but effectively we find it for the first letter of the varga. So karkasha vyanjane pare जष्ट्वानन्तरं चर्त्वसन्धिः भवति इति नियमः. शरद् कालः शरत् कालः दकारस्य स्थाने वर्गप्रथमः तकारः. षष् कर्माणि, we first do jashtva, षड् कर्माणि, then because k is a karkasha vyanjana, the t becomes the adesha as chartva, so we get shat karmani. Similarly, in anushtubh chandaha, first jashtva applies and then chartva applies. Anushtup chandaha. Hakarasya chartvam na bhavati. So again, there are other rules which apply to hakara. For sha sha sa, chartvam kurmaha chedapi samanaha varnaha bhavati, because the sha sha sa is also a part of adesha. We cannot see any modification. That is why chartva is effectively found for vargiya vyanjanas. So anya vargasya anye varnaha yatra santi tatra prathama varnaha adeshaha bhavati chartva sandhau. So jashtva and chartva, it is good to know at the beginning of hal sandhis, because as we see later, even for other sandhis like shchutva or shtutva, they sometime get combined with jashtva sandhi. Adya vayam agre sarantah shchutva sandhehe niyaman pashyamaha. Stu and shchu, these are the two terms to remember in shchutva sandhi. So the stutra itself says stoho shchunashchuhu. It's very easy. Okay, so stu is s and tu. In Vyakarana, the varga, what we call kavargaha, chavargaha, tavargaha, etc., it is indicated as ku, chu, tu, tu, pu. Okay, so these are terms like, shortcuts used in Vyakarana. So whenever I say ku, okay, or chu, tu, tu, and pu, these are the short ways of referring to each varga. So ku means kakha kavargaha. Chu means chavargaha, cha cha ja janya. Tu refers to tavarga. Tu refers to tavarga. And pu refers to pavarga. So now when I say stu, so akaraha asti, tavargaha asti. So sakara tavarga. These are the sthanis. That is, we are replacing sakara or tavarga. By what? Shchu, shakara or chavarga. So sakara is replaced by shakara and tavarga respectively. So the 5 letters of tavarga respectively replaced by the 5 letters of chavarga. So stu is replaced by shchu, since shchu is the adesha. As we have seen, the names of sandhis are based on the adesha. So jashvarnaha adeshaha bhavati chet jashtva sandhihi. Charvarnaha adeshaha bhavati chet chartva sandhihi. Shchu varnaha adeshaha bhavati chet shchutva sandhihi. So shchu is the adesha. When does this happen? When does this tu get converted to shchu? Interestingly, for this sandhi, it just needs the influence of shchu, either before or after. Okay? Generally, we have like one letter and something follows, but for shchutva sandhi to happen, it just needs the influence of shchu. Okay, so this shchu is a very powerful influencer. It converts stu to itself, that is shchu. So it can be present either before or after stu. उदाहरणानि पश्यामः चेत् ज्ञायते. सामान्यतः परतः भवति, कदाचित् तु पूर्वतः अपि भवति. कोष्ठकं पश्यामः चेत्, so this again, so here we don't have purva or paravarna. It can be either, but the sthani is stu. It is only the sakara or tavarga which is replaced. The catalyst nimitta is shakara or chavarga. So this nimitta does not get modified. The sthani is converted to the adesha. Sakara is replaced by shakara. Tavarga letters are replaced by the respective chavarga letters. That is called shchutva. Udaharanam pashyamaha. Haris shete ityasti. So haris, h-a-r-i-s, sakara asti. So sakara belongs to stu, sakara or tavarga. Then we have shete. Shete swapiti nidram karoti ityarthaha. So sh, e, t, e. So you have the sh, talavya shakara. Now what is our rule? There is shchutva, means stu is replaced by shchu. That is sakara is replaced by shakara. This is shchutvam. So harish shete. So we have harishete, double shakara. One is the original shakara. The other is the shakara which originates due to shchutvam. As you can see, you have sa, which is followed by shakara here. So sthani is on the left, nimitta is on the right. Kintu atra. So we will see one more example. Another thing to note, I hope everybody remembers, we have seen many examples. Sandhis happen not only at the end of words, they also happen when we are joining prakriti and pratyaya. Sandhihi varnavyatyayah sarvatra bhavati. So in normal stages, for ease of understanding, we take individual words because they are meaningful. But we should always remember that many of the sandhis are involved in generating the words itself. That is, like we saw haraye, hare and a. What is the meaning of a? Nothing. It is a pratyaya, vibhakti pratyaya. Hari shabda in chaturthi vibhakti. So similarly, when we have this Rajan Shabda in Shashti Ekavachana or Dvitiya Bahuvachana, we have Shtutva Sandhi happening. There is Raj Naha. Okay, this Na is from Rajan. The A in between gets deleted by some rule. So you have J and N. So if you ask what is Naha, Naha is not a separate word. Here we have Rajan as the Pratipadika and there is a Pratyaya part which is Aha. So we are in the middle of deriving the word Rajnyaha, which is Shashti Ekavachana or Dvitiya Bahuvachana of Rajan Shabda. So here Raj Naha. So there is Jakara first, followed by Nakara. And you have Aha. Right? So you see the Sthani is to the right and the Nimitta is to the left. So Shtutva Sandhi happens both ways. So if the Sthani is either preceded or followed by Shchu, you have Shtutva. But always the Adesha is for the Sthani, which is Sakara or Tavarga. Right? Don't be under the impression that only the left-hand side gets modified always. Either the left-hand side can get modified or the right-hand side or both. All three are possible in Sandhis. We saw in Ekadesha Sandhis where both are modified. We have seen many Sandhis where only the left-hand side is modified, like say Chartva. So the Jhal is always on the left and the Khar is always on the right. But for Shchutva and Shtutva, both ways are possible. So Raj Naha, Jakaraha Shchu Asti, Nakaraha Stu. It belongs to Takara, Tavarga rather, Stu. So here Nakara is replaced by what? By the corresponding letter of Chavarga. So Nakarasya sthane Chavarga Panchamaha Nyakaraha Bhavati. Raj Ny Aha. So when we join, we write as Rajnyaha. So I hope everybody remembers this. Jya is a Sanyuktakshara, a combination of J and Ny. It is not a different letter. So Jakaraha asti, Nyakaraha asti. Yada militva likhamaha tada tu Jya iti likhamaha. So Rajyaha ityatra Nakaraha, the original Nakara of Rajan is getting converted to Nyakara due to Shchutva Sandhi. Right? So originally when you have say Ra, J, A, N. Okay. So this J and N are separated by the Akara. You know, in chemistry, we have a concept. There are reactive components. If there are two components which are very reactive, they are kept separated. As long as they don't come into contact with each other, they cannot react. So in the original word, we have the Akara. So Ja and Na are separated. They cannot react with each other. But the moment the Akara goes away, there is a specific condition in which the Akara is deleted. So Akara, when it is deleted, J and N come into contact with each other. So the moment they come into contact with each other, there is Samhita, Varnanam Atishayena Sannidhi, Samipyam. So we need, so as we have seen, we should remember all those concepts, they apply. So what does Sandhi need? It requires that proximity between J and N. So there was a in between which was keeping them apart. The moment Akara is deleted, J and N come together. And when they come together, we have Shtutva Sandhi happening and therefore N is converted to Nya. So if you look at the Vibhakti table of Rajan, Raja Rajanau Rajanah, Rajanam Rajanau Rajnyah, Rajnya, Rajnye, Rajnyah, Rajji. Wherever there is no a, you hear the jya. This jya is always a combination of j and na by Shtutva Sandhi. So if you have that a or a in between, so Rajanau, Rajanaha, you hear ja and na separately. But when the a is removed, there is Shtutva Sandhi. Everywhere in all those forms, you can do Shtutva Sandhi. So if you have Rajya, it is actually Raj plus Na becomes Rajnya. Raj plus Ne becomes Rajnye. All those are examples of Shtutva Sandhi. Okay. So we will move ahead. Kanichana udaharanani agre pashyamaha. Sorry. Ramas chinoti. Chinoti, it is to collect or to pluck. So Ramas sakarasya sthane shakarah adeshah bhavati. Ramaschinoti. Sat and chit. Takarasya sthane chakarah adeshah bhavati. Satchit. So you should remember the other part remains unchanged. Only the stu sakara or tavarga is getting modified. Shangin jaya. Shangin is a sambodhana prathama, like he Rajan, he Shangin. Shangin ityasya Vishnuhu, he Vishnu ityarthaha. Shangam iti Vishnoho dhanushaha nama. Shangin ityasya हे विष्णु इत्यर्थः जय त्वं जय. अत्र नकारः अस्ति. नकारस्य स्थाने ञकारः आदेशः भवति. रामस् छात्रः रामश्छात्रः. So सकारस्य स्थाने शकारः अत्रापि. सुहृद् जगाम. सुहृद् इत्यत्र दकारः. दकारस्य स्थाने जकारः आदेशः भवति. सुहृज्जगाम. अत्र स्मर्तव्यम्. So we usually, many times we see a combination of jashtva and shtutva. As we have seen, if there is a mridu vyanjana, mridu vyanjanam paratah asti che, that is, the paravarna happens to be ja or jha, then there is always a combination of jashtva and shtutva. Udaharanartham, sat janah. Sat iti padamasti, padante takarasya adau jashtvam bhavati chet sad janah. Tadanantaram shtutvam bhavati dakarasya jakarah sajjanah. Evamev sarit झषः. झषः इत्यस्य मीनः इत्यर्थः मत्स्यः. सरित् इत्युक्ते नदी. सो सरित् झषः. अत्रापि आदौ जष्ट्वं भवति. सरिद् झषः. Because of मृदु व्यञ्जन we hear the jashtva. Then sarijjhatah. Okay. Sarij dakarasya sthane jakarah bhavati. Okay. एतावता श्चुत्वसन्धेः नियमः ज्ञातः इति मन्ये. Okay. तत्र कश्चित् प्रश्नः about the sentence used in the textbook. So the textbook says Purvatra paratra va. Purvatra is before. That is why it is shown either before or after. So purvatra paratra va shavarna chavarga anyatara yoge sati. Anyatara means one of, that is either shakara or chavarga. So either before or after, and one of these, either shakara or chavarga. Yoga means association. Sati, when that is there. Sakarasya shavarnaha. Sa is replaced by sha. Tavargasya chavargaha cha adeshaha bhavet. So tavarga is replaced by chavarga. Sakara is replaced by shakara. Anyatara means one of those, one of the two. That is either shakara or chavarga. So there's a very good question. In the order of sandhi so far, first jashtvam and then shutvam or chartvam. Correct? Always jashtva happens first. So jashtva, it could be combined with depending on what comes next. It is then followed by shutva or chartva or shtutva, whatever sandhis we see. Okay. अत्र श्चुत्वसन्धेः निषेधः अपि अस्ति. So generally when we look at Paninian system, vidhi and nishedha. Okay, so we always have do's and don'ts. So when can we do the sandhi? When can we not do the sandhi? That is always, both things are to be known. That is why we studied the rules of ach sandhi and then prakriti bhava, where it does not happen. Similarly, for many of the hal sandhis, there are nishedha. Nishedha means negation. That is in a specific subdomain, right? So it is generally it is like an area, okay, how Paninian sutras operate. So there is one big area which is given to, say, a sandhi to operate. Say wherever you have stu, which is either preceded or followed by shu, you can go ahead and do the shtutva. But then there will be small things which are carved out, which can either be apavada, exceptional special rules, or can be nishedha. So this territory does not belong. It is like a private property. It does not belong to the overall government. So there are certain specific cases where a sandhi may not be allowed. That is what we call as nishedha. Shchutva nishedha. So can we apply shchutva in all cases where stu is either preceded or followed by shu? No. So there are specific nishedhas. They're usually again very specific small domains. Okay. Like the Vishesha Sutras, yatra yatra Visheshatah kimapi uchyate, tatra the applicability will always be small, but the objective of Vyakarana is both. So a lot of people keep asking why these small exceptions, etc. See, there are two things. One is we can say it's okay if I know 80%. If we are happy with that, you can go ahead and study only the general rules. Okay. But there is always that incomplete. Our Vaiyakaranas or any Shastra, basically, it is not just Vyakarana. When we are looking at a Shastra, It is very, very, very specific, very, very, very refined. Okay. So even if there is one exception, a single word, the Shastra makes an effort to accommodate it. Okay? It is not only for, I mean, this principle we have these days, inclusivity. It is there always in the Shastras. You have to cater to everything. So you have to cater to the majority. You should also cater to the minority and take care of each specific case. So if there are one or two words which do not fall, see the bhasha, Deva bhasha, it is there. There are many sorts of prayogas. It is not a kritrima bhasha where everything is fully fitting into very simple rules. Okay. So it is structured. Having structure does not mean that, okay, the entire language is only akaranta pullinga shabda, which probably would make it the easiest, but that is not how the language is. यदा वयं भाषायाः अध्ययनं कुर्मः सामान्यतः कथमस्ति इत्यपि ज्ञातव्यं विशेषनियमाः अपि ज्ञातव्याः अत एव सर्वत्रापि. So the attempt of the Shastra is to define both. So it has to be precise. You should know where the general rules apply and then, okay, where it does not apply. Initial stages of learning, you can always ignore. Okay, it's very rare case, okay, let it go. But as we move ahead, if we want to learn more and more and understand the language better, we should know both. शुत्वनिषेधः कुत्र भवति इति चेत् शुत्वं पदान्ते अपि भवति पदमध्ये अपि भवति इति ज्ञातवन्तः. अत एव राज्ञः राज्ञा इत्यादिषु पदमध्ये अपि भवत्येव. यथा राज ना becomes राज्ञा, याच ना becomes याच्या. This is another word. So yach is the dhatu and na is the pratyaya. Okay, so when we join, it becomes yachya. Yaj naha yajyaha. So yajya is also derived from such a rule. So yaj is a dhatu and na is a pratyaya, where na is getting converted to nya. Okay. So we see in all these cases chutva applies. पदान्ते अपि भवति पदमध्ये अपि भवति किन्तु शकारात् परस्य तवर्गस्य श्चुत्वं न भवति इति निषेधः अस्ति. बहु प्रसिद्धः शब्दः अस्ति प्रश्नः इति. प्रश् इति अस्ति, नः इति तत्र नकारः अस्ति. प्रश् is from the प्रच्छ धातु, छ is replaced by sh. So we have prash and na as the pratyaya. Just like in all these cases, you have na here. When there is chavarga, na is getting converted to nyakara. So even when there is shakara, will it get converted? Will it become prashyaha? Nya is the question. There is a nishedha. Shakarat parasya tavargasya. Purvam shakaraha asti. ततः तवर्गः अस्ति चेत् श्चुत्वं न भवति इति निषेधः अस्ति. अतः प्रश्नः इत्यत्र, even though the condition for the sandhi is satisfied, you have shakara which is shchu, you have nakara which is stu. Shchutva should happen, but there is a specific nishedha that in such a particular condition, if there is sh followed by tavarga, shchutva does not happen. So prashnaha, vishnaha, vishnaha ityasya deeptihi, radiance ityarthaha, tatrapi shchutvam na bhavati. Ayam shchutva sandhehe nishedha. Okay, so it's very specific. These two words, if you remember, that is more than enough. So prashnaha, vishnaha are cases where The conditions for Shtutva are present, but Shtutva does not happen. इदानीम् अस्माभिः श्चुत्वस्य नियमाः ज्ञाताः, श्चुत्वस्य निषेधः अपि ज्ञातः. किञ्चिदिव अभ्यासं कुर्मः. सन्तोष महोदय.
मनश्चञ्चलं सकारे परे चवर्गः अस्ति. मनश्चञ्चलं
मनश्चञ्चलम् सम्यक्. तालव्यषकारः सकारस्य सो स इत्यस्य स्थाने श इति आदेशः भवति. मनश्चञ्चलं सम्यक्. श्रीमती भगिनी.
भगवत् जपः टकारस्य स्थाने चकारः.
मृदुव्यञ्जनम् अस्ति चेत् किं करणीयम् आदौ?
जष्ट्वं करणीयं. क्षम्यतां भगिनी. भगवद् जपः जष्ट्वम् आदौ. अपरं भगवद् जपः दकारस्य स्थाने जकारः.
उत्तमम्. सो भगवत् जपः आदौ जष्ट्वं भवति, ततः दकारस्य जकारः. सो वी गेट भगवत् जपः. उत्तमम्. जयश्री भगिनी.
यज् प्लस नः will be yag, the because the Shtutva sandhi purva varnaha ja paravarnaha na, so the na will become nya, so it will be yajnyaha.
Yajnyaha, correct. So ja and nya we write it as jya. Yajnyaha. Samyak. Shyamala Bhagini.
Chalachitram. Chalachitram.
Chalachitram. So ta becomes cha. So we get Chalachitram.
Chalachitram.
Correct. So a move. Yes. So moving picture, that is the literal name of a movie, what we call movie. So moving is Chalat and Chitram. Chalachitram. Mukta Pathak.
गुणिन् योग जयः अत्र च ज स्थानी ज अस्ति, निमित्तं न अस्ति, नस्य स्थाने न्य भवति. गुणिञ्जयः जय.
गुणिञ्जय. नकारस्य न्यकारः भवति. गुणिञ्जय. सम्यक्. अग्रे सन्धि विभागस्य अभ्यासं कुर्मः. अनन्तलक्ष्मी.
महोदय नमस्ते. बृहत् छत्रं. बृहत् छत्रं.
बृहत् छत्रं. तकारस्य चकारः आदेशः. सम्यक्. देन् लक्ष्मीनारायणन्.
अन्यच्च अन्यत् च.
अन्यत् च. सम्यक्. सो तकारस्य स्थाने चकारः श्चुत्वं कृतमस्ति. उत्तमम्. रविचन्दर् सीताराम.
तपः चर्या.
என்னையும்
Hmm.
கேட்டுட்டா நான்
Wait. Sorry. Please go ahead.
तपः चर्या तपश्चर्या
Hmm. So tatra we have not yet studied, which is correct. Visarga, but Visarga gets converted to Sakara. So in all these cases for Shchutva and Shtutva, wherever we have the Sakara, Bahutra Sakara would have originated from Visarga, which we will study when we do the Visarga Sandhis. So for now, the Shchutva component is Tapas plus Charya. Sakarasya sthane Shakaraha. So Sakaraha katham iti vayam agre pashyama. Okay, next one. Rohini.
Rajan Jayasi.
Ah.
Rajan Jayasi.
Rajan Jayasi. Nakarasya Nyakaraha. Rajan Jayasi. Samyak. Janaki.
उज्जीवनम् उत्जीवनम्
Ut Jivanam. The becomes the actually and then ja. So actually we can write it also as Ud Jivanam. The original Upasarga, either way we start with the or the. So Ud Jivanam is also correct. Ja, the is becomes ja. So we will see one very popular verse from the Bhagavad Gita. Pashyan Shrinvan Sprishan Jigran Ashnan Gachan Swapan Shvasan Pralapan Visajan Grinhan Ityadi Asti. So we see many instances of Shchutva in this verse. So Pashyan Shrinvan. So you have Shakara and Nakara. Right? So Na gets converted to Nya. Similarly, when you have Sprishan Jigran, Na gets converted to Nya. Swapanshvasan Nityatrapi Nakarasya sthane sarvatra Nakaraha asti agre Shakaraha athava Chavargaha asti chet Shchutvam bhavati. Similarly, Mama dehe guda kesha yachanyadrashtumichhasi Vishwarupa Darshana Yoge Bhagavan Arjunam vadati. So yachanyadrashtumichhasi. You see, yad cha becomes yacha. So there is Shchutva and also Chartva because cha is a Karkasha Vyandana. So yat and yach. So yachanyat, anyat drashtum, anyad drashtum ityatra jashtvam api asti. Yachanyad drashtum ichhasi. Agre gachamaha Shtutva sandhi. So if we know Shtutva, Shtutva is actually extremely easy. It's very, very, very similar to Shchutva. Okay. So yatha atrapi stu sakaraha tavargova asti. If it is either preceded or followed by shtu, shtuna shtuhu ityeva sutram. Shtu ityukte shakaraha tavargaha. So tu ityukte tavargaha. Sthani remains the same from the earlier one, which is stu sakaraha tavargaha. So shakara tavargayoho yoge sati. When associated with shakara or tavarga, sakarasya shakaraha tavargasya tavargaha cha adeshaha bhavati iti sutrasya arthaha. So again, the sthani is s or thadadhana. Adesha will be respectively sa is replaced by sh, tavarga by respective letters of tavarga. That is Shtutva sandhi. Ramas Shashtah. Atra punaha Ramaha ityeva. Visarga has been replaced by Sakara. So Ramas Shashtah. Atra Sakaraha asti. Stu. Shakaraha. Shtu asti. Stu ityasya sthane shtutvam bhavati. So sa is replaced by sh. This is shtutva sandhi. So we get Ramashashtah. Yatha shtutva sandhau drishtam. Shtutva sandhihi api padamadhye bhavati. These two sandhis are very, very, very common when we are joining Prakriti and Pratyaya. So ish dhatu with kta pratyaya. Okay, we know kta. Say pathata become pathita, gata, shruta, ta asti. So tam is the ta pratyaya. So we have ish and tam. So shakaraha asti shtu. So on the left hand we have the nimitta. On the right hand we have the sthani, which is tavarga. Ta. So according to the rules of Shtutva Sandhi, this ta gets converted to ta. Takarasya sthane takaraha bhavati shtutvam ataha ishtam. Abhishtam. Ishtam is desired ityartha. So atra shtutva sandhihi paravarnasya asti. So purvatrava paratrava. This holds good for both Shtutva and Shtutva. Anyani udaharanani pashyamaha. Haris tikate. So harish tikate. Sakarasya sthane shakaraha bhavati. Pesh ta. So this is again a Prakriti and Pratyaya. Pesh is from pish dhatu. Pish dhatu is to grind. Ta is the trich pratyaya, right? We have karta, vakta, bhokta. Sarvatra ta iti bhavati. Trich pratyayasya prathamantam rupam. So atra shakaraha asti, takaraha asti. Takarasya sthane takaraha bhavati. So peshta. Peshta means one who grinds. So tat tika. Tat tika. Takarasya takaraha. So again here you can start with tad, but there is chartva combined with shtutva. Chakrin dhaukase. So chakrin iti sambodhanam. Dhaukase. Dhaukase means gachasi ityarthaha. Dhaukra gatau iti dhatuhu. So dha tavargaha asti. Ataha nakarasya sthane tavargasya panchamaha nakaraha bhavati. Chakrindhaukase na bhavati. Atrapi mriduvyanjanam asti chet jashtvam bhavati tadanantaram shtutvam bhavati. So nadat damaruhu. Nadat means that which is sounding. Damaru is a drum. So atra adau takarasya jashtvam bhavati. Nadad damaruhu. Dakarasya dakaraha bhavati. Nadad damaruhu. We hear the double dakara. Jashtvam tataha shtutvam. Evameva brihat dhakka. Atra takarasya jashtvam bhavati. Brihad dhakka. Dakarasya dakaraha. So brihad dhakka. So da and dha. So always the one letter will be retained. Don't change both. It doesn't become double dakara. So the dha remains as it is everywhere. It is only this ta becomes the, then it becomes da. Yatha shchutvasya nishedhaha drishtaha evam shtutvasyapi nishedhaha bhavati. पदान्ते टवर्गः अस्ति चेत् तस्मात् परयोः सकारतवर्गयोः ष्टुत्वं न भवति. So there are some specific nishedhas to ष्टुत्व. Padante tavargah. So if you have a word ending in tavarga, which is actually very, very, very rare, so shat is there. So you have tavarga at the end followed by sakara. So atra ष्टुत्वं न भवति. So shat santaha. Shat te. Tavargah asti padasya ante. Tatah sakarah va tavargah va ष्टुत्वं न भवति. It doesn't become double takara here, or it doesn't become shakara here. So that is a nishedha for ष्टुत्व. Padante tavargah. If you see all the examples, you can go back and check. So we didn't have this particular scenario. Padante tavargah. There is one more nishedha for ष्टुत्व. Tavargasya shakare pare. Say san and shashtha. Tavargasya tavarge pare ष्टुत्वं bhavati. Shakare pare. If the word is starting with sh. So san and shashtha. Atra ष्टुत्वं न bhavati. San shashtha ityeva bhavati. So these two are nishedhas for ष्टुत्व. We see this actually many times. Shat trimshat. Okay, so we have actually an example, I think. Shat and trimshat. Okay, so it remains as shat trimshat. The th doesn't get converted to the ta. Okay. So there is a question here. What is the difference between shat and shash? When is what used? See, you can start with shash here. Okay. So you can say shash santaha. It always follows the same steps. So shash santaha becomes shad santaha by jashtva. Okay. Shad santaha. Then we have chartva. So it becomes shat santaha. Now if you ask, can I also do ष्टुत्व? The answer is no, because of the nishedha. So jashtva has happened because jashtva has no problem. Similarly, chartva has also happened. ष्टुत्व does not happen because of the nishedha. So if you want to start with shat, you can do even here. But it will stop at shat santaha. ष्टुत्व will not happen. It is the same with shat te also. Okay. So the nishedha is only for ष्टुत्व. It is not for jashtva. So always jashtva happens. So shash becomes shad. Then if possible, chartva will also happen. This is only for this conversion. Sa becoming sh. ष्टुत्वस्य eva nishedha. So ष्टुत्व सन्धेः अभ्यासं कुर्मः. नार्यस् षोडश. हेमावती.
नार्यस् षोडश. नार्यस् सकारस्य सकारस्थानी सकारः शकारः निमित्तं अतः नार्यस् षोडश.
नार्यः षोडश. So sakarasya sthane shakarah adeshah bhavati ष्टुत्व sandhiः. Samyak. Uma Sundari.
Namaste Manye. Katamas plus takaraha. Sakaraha, danta sakaraha sthani. Adeshah takaraha ष्टुत्
कः
अकार-
आदेशः?
दन्तसकारे परे षकारः आदेशः भवति।
षकारः आदेशः किं रूपं भवति?
कतमश् टकारः।
कतमष्टकारः. कतमष्टकारः. So s is replaced by sh. So katamaha. Katamaha means actually it's difficult to put it in English. How many? I mean, katama is like, say if there are 3 takaras. So the position, it is a question regarding the position. You cannot directly translate. Okay. In Bharatiya Bhashas, we have, for example, if in Kannada we say Yashtanaya Takara. So the question is about the position of takara. Say if there is a word with 5 takaras, if you want to ask about which of those takaras, how many, okay, that is how you would have to put it in English, but that is the meaning of katamaha. Kataraha means which of the 2, katamaha means which of many. Katamashtakaraha. So vidyamaneshu varneshu katamashtakaraha iti prayogah kartum shakyate. Then we have Chandrasekharan Mahodaya.
Bragrit Takashala Bragrit Takaraga becomes Takaraga. Bragrit Takaraga Shala.
Tankashala.
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 Tangashala.
Brihat Tankashala.
Bragrit Tangashala.
Samyak. So Tankashala. So in those days, Tankashala was called this place where coins were made. Tanka is an instrument which is used to hit metal. Okay, so in those days when coins were issued, you have to hit the metal and make it flat and then create that. And usually coins used to be embossed with the king's head or any image, etc. So that coin factory or the assembly place was called Tankashala. These days it is also used for printing press, was also called Tankashala, because you do that tank. That action is called tanka. Okay, uttankanam is typing. So Tankashala is either that the factory where the metal work is done, or a printing press. So Brihat Tankashala. Atra shtutvam bhavati takarasya takaraha. Okay. Then Amita Bhagini. Yes, mint. That is the word I was looking for. Coin minting press, whatever you call it, was called Tankashala. Pakshin dayase. Amita Bhagini. Na shruyate.
Pakshin. Na will become na punana. Dayase.
Pakshindayase. Nakarasya sthane nakaraha bhavati shtutvena. Shirisha.
Namo namo mode. Brihat dindimaha. Brihad dindimaha and Brihad dindimaha.
Samyak. Adau jashtvam bhavati tataha shtutvam bhavati Brihad dindimaha. Brihad dindimaha Brihad dindimaha. Samyak. Tatra kashchit prashnaha asit. Should we write directly or should we show the steps? When we are learning for our understanding, it is always good to show the steps, especially when 2 or 3 sandhis are happening together. So Ideally, I mean, see, for the exam, it doesn't matter if you split or join and write Shtutva Sandhi, you will get marks. So not from an exam perspective, but from understanding when there are multiple Sandhi is always good to show them separately, step by step. Vijaya again.
Dakarasthane takarah tat damaruh. Jastom also takes place.
So tad damaruhu becomes tad damaruhu. Dakarasya dakaraha. Samyak. Then Malini.
Balashashtaha, the first sh is it has become a shakara from sakara. Balas plus shashtaha.
Uttamam. So balas shashtaha sakarasya sthane shakaraha. Okay. Samyak. Bhavani Rao.
Akrishta. Akrish plus ta. No.
Krish plus. What is the pratyaya? Common pratyaya it is. We saw in Ishta, etc.
In. No.
No, kta pratyaya. Ta. So akrish ta. So ta is getting converted to ta. So akrishta. So there are many cases where for kta pratyaya we hear forms with ta, right? So prishta, drishta, kashta, everywhere it is shtutva sandhi. Okay, so the ta becomes ta by shtutva, depending on the letter which comes before. Okay. Shri Ranjani Bhagini.
Namaste. Pashyan dolam. Pashyan dolam.
Pashyan
dolam.
Punah vadata.
Pashyan dolam. Nakarah bhavati.
Nakarasya sthane nakaraha adeshaha. Pashyandolam. Okay. So dola ubhayamapi asti. For the swing, both are there. So if we use dola, then there will be shtutva sandhi. Antimaha prashnaha. Nagamani Bhagini.
Sarad Dambaraha. Sarad Dambaraha. Sarad Dambaraha.
Samyak. Sharad Dambaraha. Sharad Dambaraha. So dakarasya sthane dakaraha adeshaha bhavati. Okay. Samyak. Dambaraha ityasya saundaryam ityarthaha. Sharatkalasya saundaryam iti tatparyam bhavati. Okay. So okay. So there is one popular line from the Saundarya Lahari. Okay. Dividvishat trimshan manasicha chatushshashtiritiye. So atra shtutvasyapi udaharanam drishyate. Shtutva nishedhasyapi udaharanam drishyate. So we have dvis shat trimshat. So dvis shat becomes dvishat. So sakarasya sthane shakaraha shtutvam asti. Again in chatushshashtihi. Chatushshashtihi becomes chatushshashtihi. Atrapi shtutvam asti. Whereas shat trimshat, as I said, atra shtutva nishedhaha asti. Padante tavargaha asti chet shtutva nishedhaha bhavati. अतः षट्त्रिंशत् दिवि द्विषट्त्रिंशत् मनसि च चतुष्षष्टिरितिये सो द्विषट् चतुष्षष्टिः इत्यत्र उभयत्र ष्टुत्वं भवति षट्त्रिंशत् इत्यत्र ष्टुत्वनिषेधः भवति ओके अत्र वयम् अद्यतनपाठं समापयामः श्चुत्वसन्धिः तथा ष्टुत्वसन्धिः अद्य अधीतः अग्रे गुरुवासरे अनुवर्तयामः गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्